I guess if you watch this video, you're thinking to go to Thailand with Test and Go program. In the last year, I have been in Thailand 2 times with different programs, and now I'm planning my trip with Test and Go. So maybe I can help you with all the experience I have collecting these trips. By the way, you can watch my videos of this program entry in the description down below. Maybe you feel that Test and Go is complicated, but trust me, it's much easier than all the previous programs. Your application starts in Thailand Pass page, link down below. In first page, you need to write the purpose of travel, the country of departure, the flight number, and date of arrival and estimated day of departure. In the second page, you write your personal details, name, etc., and you upload a photo of your passport. In third page, you need to upload the photos of your certificate of vaccination. You can also upload your vaccination QR code alone for speed up the process. In all documents you upload, all supported format is JPEG and PNG, so make sure you have converted your documents before you start the process. Next page, you provide info about your stay and the RT-PCR test receipt if any. Also, you provide your permanent address in your country. In the last page, you provide the medical insurance details and any additional document that you need to provide. That's it. Usually after a few hours you're gonna have your Thailand pass and you are ready to go.